Guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Third and last puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper, on Wednesday, May the 10th, 2023. I've told you there's no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of the yesterday's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 9th, 2023. I've already solved 2 puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 0 stars. Yeah, 0 stars. Well, it's time now for the Tectonic. Yeah, this is the Tectonic. Tectonic with 1 star. And this Tectonic with 1 star will be number 6416. Yeah, 6416. And before I start, I always count or print the digits. This one is I believe, no, I've not counted yet. Let me do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star, and for a 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here? Can we see here? Oh, apologies, bumped the camera again. Can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. No single boxes, only dual boxes here. Here, dual box. Another dual box. Alright. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in here. So this box will be a 1. Same for there. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. 2 is already filled in, so this box will be a 1. But this one is difficult because I cannot fill those numbers. I need more information. Yeah, right now insufficient information. So let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Next question, do we have triple boxes? Yeah, I have a triple box there. Here also triple box. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 2 and the 3 could be everywhere. When you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. We already have a 4 here in the same area, so this box should be a 5 then. Alright, same for here. Well, the 4 is already filled in. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. We already have a 4 here. Okay, so these 2 boxes can be a 3. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Alright. Next question, do we have here a quarter box? We have a quarter box here. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. The other pair in this quarter box should be the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Next strategy now is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Let me draw the L shape there then. Yeah, need a space here. L shape. We have an L shape here, mirrored. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, the L shape. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction. Let me draw the Z here. When you Z the Z construction. Remember. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S construction. It's the same figure. Yeah. Remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 then. Yeah, it's a 4 here. So one that you left in this quarter box for number 1 then. Alright. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 then. Alright. So that box has the same name as this box. Alright. The Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here then. Can I draw this here? Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. This one. Rotated. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 then. 2. Alright. And one shape is left. This one. Yeah. This one that you need to recognize. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 3, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. And then these wait. These 3 boxes here. So around the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here or there. Well, we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The 1 is supposed to be here, the 1. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 1. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this W area shape. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. One is 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 1 there again. Double 1, that means that this box can be 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those two boxes. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then. Let me see. Wow. These 2 boxes. Surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3. So 2 numbers left in this area. One was 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. Because we have double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. So 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Yeah. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Oh wait, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3, so 3 could be here. Could be there. Well, we already have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. And now. Let me think. Come on. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. It's connected with that box, should be also a 2. So 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes. Wait. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And these two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And we need a 1 here. Yeah, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. Complicated. Well, this box can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3. So 2 numbers left, 4 and 5. Here we have a pair, 4 and 5. So, this box can be a 5. So the 5. Oh, well, now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So now we have 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Alright. Yeah. So this box can be a 2, and this box can be a 4. So this box should be a 1 then. Yeah, because it can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area, yeah. So the 2 and the 4 are left. 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, not faster. Not pleased with the time. But I like this one, yes, I really do. And we solve it again. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.